Assalamu alaikum learners. My name is Muazzam Ali and welcome to Data Analysis with Python course offered by MT Learners. In this video, we will look at how to process data, why is data pre-processing is important, and what are the major tasks in data pre-processing. If you are unfamiliar with the term data pre-processing, that is actually a necessary step in data analysis. It is the process of transforming raw data into an understandable format. Data preprocessing is often called data cleaning or data wrangling, and there are likely other terms. The quality of data should be checked before applying any machine learning or data mining algorithms. No quality of data means no quality of results. Quality decisions must be based on quality data. Preprocessing of data is mainly to check the data quality. The quality can be measured by the following: accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, believability, interpretability. Accuracy to check whether the data entered is correct or not. Completeness to check whether the data is available or not recorded. Consistency to check whether the same data is kept in all the places that do or do not match. Timeliness, the data should be updated correctly. Believability, the data should be trustable. And interpretability, the understandability of the data. There are four major tasks in pre-processing: data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, and data reduction. In the upcoming videos, we will look closely at all of them one by one. Thanks for watching this video.